Hi, I'm L2GX. Welcome to the first presentation of my new map editor, and I'm just going to get straight to it. We have at the top right here a list of prefabs that we can apply. I'm selecting one. We can see underneath that we can have different conditions for the application. Here I want to apply this to every tile that has this color green, regardless of what its neighbors are. And I'm just going to press the button to apply the prefab. And I've applied grass to all of these tiles, even on the other islands. So I call the combination of the conditions, the set of tiles, and the prefab, I called it a tiling. That's quite simple. And I'm going to add a tiling with a different prefab. I'm going to select this one, grass with a pond in the middle. And I'm going to first change the orientation because I want the orientation of this to be random. And I apply it. And the system tells me that, oh, we already have this tiling. It's a duplicate. Would you like to replace the existing tiling, cancel what you're doing, or randomize? And I'm going to randomize. And when you randomize, you can see that the system now applies to all of these same green tiles the two prefabs depending on a random number generator. And it looks a bit boring, so I'm going to add some trees. I have 3 trees at the bottom right. All of the prefabs are imported in Unity from the resources folder, from a prefab folder in there, and based on the name, the system recognized that these trees were all variants of the same prefab. So I'm just going to select one of them, and then if I apply them, and again I have to confirm that I want to randomize. If I apply them, you see that, hop, it's applying these trees randomly alongside the other 2 prefabs. I want some more trees. That's quite simple. I'm just going to apply another tree prefab, and that fills it up a bit more, and again, like so. And I'm starting to see some bit of a failure here on my random number generator, but that's okay because this is a pretty big square here, and there will be some other conditions, biomes, and so that are going to break that up. But I do want to change it up a little bit, so I'm going to add a final prefab here, and that's going to be on the next page. That's woods, and when I apply woods, and again, I'm getting to the point where I really like my current setup here, and you see immediately already it's broken up the lining a bit more, and that's it. All of these tilings together are stored at the moment here in a list. At the top left, I can look at my list. It's an unsaved list, and I can just go and save that, and I give that a name, and that is let's say tree fill. Okay, and I confirm, and I can later import those tilings. I can delete lists if I have duplicates, and there's a lot of housekeeping that goes on. There's also some housekeeping around the import of prefabs, replacing prefabs, etc. But that's basically it. It's all built in Unity. It all works in the editor at runtime, but you can also build it to mobile, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm running this on my phone, and I can completely set up all of these on my phone, save the tilings locally on my phone as a comma separated value file, and I can then export that, use that on a computer, and share that around if needed with other co-workers. It's going to be the basis of my next game, and maybe other people would like to use it as well. Let's see. This was L2GX. Keep an eye on me.